Hello and welcome to Peggy's Tropical Garden, coming to you from the Florida Keys with an unboxing and review of Perrico Plant Company. I was approached by Perrico Plant Company and asked if I would like to collaborate with them to introduce my viewers to their product. After checking out their website, of course, I was all in. Their tagline is Plants for Beginners and Black Thumbs. So on the website, you go through a series of steps to select the right plant for you. They ask you about lighting in your home. They ask about watering, all of those things. You go through and you make your selection, check off your response, and in the end you pick your pot, and then you select your plant that they recommend based on your responses. Once you're comfortable caring for that plant, they invite you to come back for graduation. How cute is that? And at that time, they will recommend plants that are a little bit more difficult to care for. So you step up your plant game. So pretty cool, I think. But even if you're not a beginner, don't think that this site isn't for you. I'm very impressed with it. They offer all kinds of plants. They have beginners bundles with easy to care for recommendations, but as you can see, they also have calatheas, peperomias. Their prices are pretty impressive as well. So I think, in my opinion, there's something on here for everyone. I did see a few plants that I'm interested in, so it's definitely someplace I think that I will be ordering from. So this is a look at the website. If it's something you're interested in, go check them out. I do have a discount code, and I will be sharing that with you in this video. So they did send me some free plants, and everyone's like, oh, you got free plants. And it is a wonderful thing, but it's also makes you a little nervous because I do give very honest reviews. So I'm hoping that everything in this box looks as wonderful as that website. So yeah, I don't, I give honest reviews, and sometimes you get things and the honest review isn't that good. And yeah, sometimes I do decline to take the products or whatever. I'll contact the company and let them know, oh, there was an issue. So I'm thinking we're not even going to have to worry about any of that. Look at this. Very neat packaging. Clearly nothing was rattling around in this box. I don't see any loose soil in here. All good signs. Happy about that. Looks like there's a couple of plants in here. Okay, here's the first one. Neatly packaged. No soil spilling. I don't see any wetness. Neat little tie with a piece of twine. I have no idea what plants are in here. I did not select these plants, so I'm quite excited. I feel like it's Christmas and I'm a little kid opening my little presents. But hey, and right now with all that's going on, I think a little plant mail, who couldn't use it, right? So the top part is stapled, so you would need to be careful not to get yourself cut with the staple or anything like that. But oh, look what we have here. This is a Pothos Pearl and Jade. Absolutely beautiful plant. None of the leaves are torn or anything like that. Definitely traveled well. Looks to be very healthy from what I can see here. And it's a decent sized plant. This is in a 4-inch pot. Very nice, very nice. Let's see. Because sometimes, it's weird. You go by pot size, but that really doesn't tell you how much plant is actually in that pot, because you can put anything in a 4-inch pot. But if you see here, there's plenty of plant in this 4-inch pot. This Pearls and Jade is almost ready to start trailing. So that's a pretty good looking plant. I have no complaints thus far. Happily surprised. As you know, I'm always looking for new places to order plants and new places to recommend for you. And that's why I like to do unboxing and reviews of new companies. So here we are with number 2. And again, very consistent packaging. This one is packaged just as the first one is. I love consistency. Nothing worse than getting one plant that's all nice and tidy, and then the next one is kind of just thrown in there, and We've all seen it. At least I know I have. And so consistency is very important in packaging when you're ordering plants online. So what do we have here? Oh my goodness. This is something I really wanted. This is a Zenzi. Oh my goodness. And you can see the dimples on the pot. This pot is stuffed. This is ready to be repotted, I think. Look at that. Now, Zenzi, I think it's pronounced. But it's the ZZ plant with the smaller leaves, and it's like a dwarf version of a ZZ plant. So everything is much more compact, and it's adorable. I've been looking at these, and now I have one. Very nice. Very nice. No soil, still no soil spilled out everywhere, which I do expect when you're ordering plants in the mail. I mean, the post office isn't able to, just because there's something saying fragile or an arrow going one way, those packages are going to get flipped upside down. So, I mean, anytime you can get plants to someone and there's not soil everywhere, that's impressive. No leaves broken, no stems broken. Again, a very nice looking plant. So I believe there's one more in here. Yep, one more. This is wonderful. I'm loving Perrico Plant Company. So this is the third and final plant. What could this be? And again, consistent packaging. And if you do decide to check them out, the discount code, they offered a 10% discount code, and that code is PEGGY, P-E-G-G-Y in capital letters. Oh my goodness. This is a Hoya Pubicalyx splash. I have the regular form, but I love the splashes. I really do. Very nice. Looks like this is a healthy plant, putting off all kinds of trails, hopefully ready to bloom for me. But again, no broken leaves, no tears, no broken stems. I mean, Hoyas aren't the easiest to package when they have all these stems coming off of them. And not even one stem is browning or broken. So that's impressive. And again, 4-inch pot full of plant. What more could you ask for when ordering plants online? And again, the pricing that I saw, I can't give you the price of each individual plant because, again, I didn't know what they were sending. But visit their website, check it out, see what the prices are. You know where I got them from. Use the discount code, 10% off. And here we go. Nice, healthy looking plants. So I think that Perrico Plant Company will give them 2 thumbs up. They're definitely what I would consider friends of Peggy's Tropical Garden. Great for beginners. I would highly recommend it. I've already recommended this site to both of my sisters who enjoy plants but don't really have many, and they are beginners. And I was telling both of them about the website, and I'm sure I'll go there also. I like looking up, I like to research my plants for care instructions and things like that, just to make sure everything I'm doing is on track. So there you have it, 3 nice, healthy plants. So if you have any questions or comment, leave them down below in the discussion box. Again, that discount code is PEGGY, P-E-G-G-Y in all capital letters, 10% off. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are well. Stay safe. Social distancing is a necessity, people. Let's take care of each other. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.